Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fund your Bluevine account with PayPal. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. First step is to log into your PayPal account on the app or the website. Then go to wallets. Now you're going to tap link a bank and then enter your Bluevine route number and account number. You can find these in your Bluevine dashboard under account information. Next, PayPal will verify your Bluevine account. This may be instant if you log in through Bluevine, or it may require confirming with 2 small micro deposits within 1 to 2 days. Once linked, return to Wallets in PayPal and then select Transfer Money. Now choose Transfer to Bank and pick your Bluevine account. Go ahead and enter the amount that you want to transfer and confirm. You can choose instant transfer, of course this comes with a fee, or a standard transfer which will require 1 to 3 business days, but it's free. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.